Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we dive headfirst into how to implement lean management with teamwork.com. Firstly, log into your teamwork.com account. This is our digital workspace where we'll eliminate waste and improve processes. It's crucial because lean management thrives on efficiency and organization. Now that we've done that, create a new project. Here, we'll map out our workflows and identify wastes. Click on Add Project and name it something relevant. This step is fundamental because a well-structured project serves as the foundation of lean management. The reason we do this is to then add tasks. On your new project page, click on Add Task. Detail each task with its timeline and resources required. This helps us because it allows us to visualize the entire process and spot any redundancies or inefficiencies. Next up, assign these tasks to team members. By clicking on the Assign button and selecting the right person for each task, we can ensure that everyone knows their role. This simplifies communication and fosters a culture of accountability, both crucial elements in lean management. Now remember to regularly review and optimize your project. Use the dashboard feature to track progress and performance metrics. This is important because lean management is not a one-time thing. It's a continuous quest for improvement. Let me explain why this matters. Using teamwork.com for lean management promotes a streamlined, efficient workflow. It helps you save time, increase productivity, and foster team collaboration. And that's it, folks. You've just implemented lean management with teamwork.com. Remember, lean is all about continuous improvement. So keep refining, keep improving. Thanks for joining us, and see you next time.